Hello my friends, Julia here from Accessorize Your Life. Thank you for tuning in to another video. If this is your first time here, I definitely want to invite you to watch this video throughout and give it a thumbs up if it was helpful, and also to consider subscribing to Accessorize Your Life. I would appreciate that very much. And to everyone else who have returned for another video, I appreciate you being here as always. And I invite you to sit back, relax, and give this video a thumbs up once you've finished it. Well guys, I got another mystery box in from Juvia'S Place. And this month, the month of love, they're calling the box the Love Mystery Box. Whoa, and I've got to tell you, it's a little thing. So maybe good things come in little packages. Let's hope so. Well, I've got my trusty box opener here, and before I cut open the box, I'm on Juvia'S site, and it says here that you get 3 mystery items. They don't tell you what they are, of course, or give you any idea. They don't say if they're full size or anything like that. All of the information is just minimal. It does say you will love the surprise of this mystery box. What will you get? 3 mystery items. That's all it says. And it says that it's the Love Mystery Box and it's the February Mystery Box. So let's only hope it's something really good. I'm hoping. Fingers are crossed. Okay, so I'm about to open up this box. So excited to do so. Open up the other side here, so let's cut into it. And this side, cut into it. Ta-da! Well, this is what you see once you open the box. Don't want to really look. It looks like something I've seen before, a couple of times before. I'm gonna have to slow my roll down on these boxes, I think. Let me find some glasses and only hope. This is the empty box. There's 3 items, and only hope I don't have these items already, but it looks like I do. This is the Nubian Intense Pencil Liner, and I don't see the color because I kind of wanted this to be a mystery box unboxing plus a try-on. But guys, if this is something I've gotten already, I'm not too interested in trying it on. Okay, here is the one I just received. Here's the one I got in my first box. Same color. Okay, this is mine, and this is the one that I got today. I'm going to swatch mine that I got before so that you can see it. Same color. Very pretty, but I don't need 2 of these, do I? No. So I got another Royal eyeliner, pencil liner. Guess it's an eye crown. 12-hour long wear. Color payoff, Royal. So I'm going to close this up and put it to the side. I've got to laugh, and somebody's got to call Juvia'S Place because this is getting ridiculous. I still have the other one over here. This is the third time getting this. Let me find my other one here. Here it is. It's electric. This is what it looks like. It is a lip gloss. And it's electric. Very shiny. You see it there? It's a gold color. I can put it on. Feels nice. I'm not knocking it at all. I just don't. What am I going to do with 3 of them? I'm almost afraid to look at the palette. I'm afraid to look at the palette. It's the last item. And the Saharan Blush Volume 2. Now this is not the one I got last time. Let me just open up my drawer here. Sorry for the noise. So I got the Saharan Blush Volume 1, and now I have 2. I'm very happy about this. Yay! This I'm happy about. I can live with those 2 items being what they are. Duplicates and triplicates of what I already have from them. But it's nice to get something new. And since I'm not wearing blush, we can try on some blush. Oh, you don't know how happy this makes me. Because like I said, I was looking at both of these prior in January. And this was February's and now, well, this was January's and this is February's. Get it right. Okay. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Volume 2. The Saharan Blush. Volume 2. So, let's see. I'm going to find a brush. Perfect brush here. And let's put on some blush. Let's swatch them first. So let's start with Yara. We'll just swatch them right here. Yara. Can barely see it. Yara. And this is Sola. That's pretty. I like the sheen it has. And this one is Tau, or Tau, T-A-U. Kind of an orangey color. Let's swipe that one again. That's pretty. Those are pretty. The first 3. And next, this is like a plum. It's called, better to put glasses on because I'm squinching and that's not good. So this one is B, B-E-E. Let's make sure you can see it. So let's put it here, B. The next one is Zoba, Z-O-B-A. And the last one is Lena, L-E-E-N-A. Let's put it right here. So Lena's pretty. Oh, all of those are pretty. I think I'm going to go with Zola. Let's go bright and bold. Okay, let's wipe off this. Okay, Juvia'S Place. So you know you pay $18 plus shipping, because this is all I got this time. You pay $18 plus shipping for this box, and it's supposed to be worth like $50 or more. Can you see it there? I see it. I'm going to put it on a little heavier to make sure you see it. I like it. If you hear noise in the background, my husband's watching a war movie. So there's bombs and everything. No real bombs. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and try another one. Let's go with the lightest, no, the purple. I'm always interested in what a purple, how they do purple or plum blushes. So let's do this one over here. Using the same brush, so yeah, I can tell it's purple. And there we are. Juvia'S Place. Mystery box. Box of love. This is subtle. and this is much brighter. So this would make a nice spring. This could be your winter color. Yeah, this one lifts you up more. Yeah, I like them both. So happy to receive this palette. Okay, I went ahead and put on the liner, and I already had on some of the gloss, and you saw the blush go on. And what I gotta say about the liner is that you do not get much time to distribute it amongst your line, you know, your water line or whatever, wherever you're putting it. You have to work really fast with it. It has a 12-hour wear time supposedly, and it's very pretty. I don't doubt that at all. It's just the fact that I've gotten another one in my box. So it's the Nubian Intense Pencil Liner, and this one is in Sapphire, I believe. I want to say it is. Yeah. Very pretty, very pretty. Oh no, it's royal. Very pretty color. Royal. It is. Looks like sapphire, but it's actually royal, and that's what's on my bottom lash line. So what I did is went back and I stand corrected. This box is worth $43, Juvia'S Place says, and when I added everything up, the blush palette is $18, the lip gloss is $13, and the eyeliner is $12, sorry. So $18, $13, and $12, that's $43, and that's the going price for these items, so that adds up to $43, and I paid $18 in tax, plus shipping, which is about $4 for shipping. So yeah, that's what you get. So I'm very happy because what I paid the $18 for this blush palette, and I got the other two things which I'm not using, so this was like just purchasing the blush palette for me this time around. But I'm happy to have both of these in my collection now, so I will be making very good use of these. Well guys, that's it for the February mystery box, or the Love mystery box from Juvia'S Place. I hope you got to see something that you don't have, and maybe you're interested in getting the box for the month of February. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.